Introducing beatboxing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yo, bro, can you give me a beat? Yeah, sure. Oh, crap, just drop it. Okay, buddy. Ooh, that sounds really cool, and you should learn that too. The most basic thing ever is the kick, which you do by squeezing your lips and blowing air through that gap. Just boo boo, saying the B or the P, B, P or B. Really tight. Just close it really tight. Look. Cool. Second element is a PF snare. Literally same with the kick. Just might be a puff. Say puff or buff. Without no vocalization. Just or yeah. Third trick is the easiest one. Just say t or t or c. Just now all three together.
Oh my god, but how do you do that? I cannot do that, bro.
That's too hard.
I cannot do that.
Listen, just boot cat. Sick. Now you are officially. Yeah, I don't really know the point of this video.